Welcome to ayomidegraphix. In this video tutorial, you'll be learning how to create a simple professional church flyer design. So let's begin. Click the three dots at the top, then click on image size, already there 1280 by 1280. Now click on shape 2, then click on import so as to bring in the first image. So we are bringing 4 images now, one by one. So now we have brought in the first image, as you can see. So this is the first image for the background. So because of time now, I'll arrange this very well, then bring in the 3 remaining images. So we'll begin. So as you can see now, we bring in the 4 images, as you can see. So let us lock it. That's good. Now next is to draw overlay. You click on shapes. So scroll down, then color, scroll, then give it color. Wow, that's it now. Opacity, click on opacity, then reduce the opacity to the desired percent. Now you drag it down. So you make sure to cover the whole images, as you can see there. Now you lock it. Now let us bring the first resources, that is the paper. So you click on import to bring it in. So as you can see, now you have to make sure we crop it to the desired shape so as to make our work neat. So crop it very well. So when we are done, we mark it. Now the next stage is to remove the black background. So you scroll, you go to erase color, click on erase color, then enabled. So you use the color picker, as you can see, mark it. That's good. Now you scroll back, click on color, enabled, so give it color, as you can see, color white. Now so we still need to crop it a little bit, that is to the right side, reduce it a little bit for the top too as well. That's good. So better. So let us adjust a little bit from the right side to make it perfect. So wow, that's good. So that's good. Let me highlight it. Now the next thing for the grid. So let me show you the grid. That's it. So that's the grid. So click on the grid, then the grid setting as well. So let me click on that. So now click on that. Now the numbering, to number your grid, that's the icon there. So we are typing it 15 by 15. Wow, that's good. So let us arrange it very well. So to the right, the second grid, as you can see, then bottom, arrange very well, drag it to the ground a little bit. So as you can see, it's perfect. In the middle, lovely. So let us add one more grid. So lock it first, then resetting, then click on this plus this one, that is for the add one more grid. So that's it there from the right side. So as you can see, that's added one more grid. So that one shiny, then adjust it to that side to make it like a margin for our element, that is our characters and other things we have to bring in. So let us bring in the logo. Click on import, as you can see, then let us bring in the logo. So crop it very well. That's good. So mark it. So set the logo very well, reduce it. So place it very well. So with the help of the grid, it helps us in our placement of our elements. So place it very well. That's good. Now let us type our first alphabet. Click on the A icon, then plus, then pencil icon. So let us type our first word as CU art. CU art. Now let us edit that. Move to text size. Click on that. So give it text size. Now after that, mark it. Go to color. Then click on gradients. So on how to get gradients, click on the plus icon there. Then click on the first one, that is the color fill. So if you don't know what's color fill, that's it there. Let me show you. This is color fill. Click on it. Then the pencil icon there for the color code. Click on that. So as you can see, that's the color code. Then the next one too as well. The next side is the other side. So that is the second one too, as this side. Let me show you that one too. You click on it, then we do the same thing. So as you can see, that is the color code. Then for you to move it using this style, that's color mover, as you can see, to move it for the placement. So click on OK. So if you want to learn more on gradient effects, you can check the top of your screen. Let's continue, or the description below. Then the fonts. So I'll be using I don't like this. Yes, Sophia demo. I've clicked on that. So if I demo, that will be good. Then I'll grade it down the grid for the placement. So I like using the grid because it's make it easier, faster and neat. Lovely. Now we are going to type our second text. Click on the icon plus and the pencil icon. So type the second text there. Now let us edit that as well, the text size. Now color. So the same gradient, you click on that same gradient, mark it. Then the fonts. Recent, I'm using Lemon Mid Bold, love that. Then the style, italics, as you can see. Then move to the spacing. We're choosing the, let me check the spacing. Still a bit like that. So for the line spacing, I have to reduce that a little bit. So as you can see, to shrink it a little bit so as to make sure I align it very well on using the grid. As you can see, with the help of the grid, I can place it very well with the margin. So you can also use your position to move objects position. So either use position or use your hand, but I like using the position because it's easier and make your work neater as well. So you lock it as well, as you can see. Wow, good, you're almost there. Good, you're almost there. So the next thing now is to type the other word too as well, the other text too. Now you edit that, the text size, give it text size, lovely. Now after text size, you mark it, you are done. Then the color too as well, give it color. This time around, you are not using gradients, you are using color. So you want the color code, as a color code, as you can see. For that color, mark it. Then the fonts, I think I'll be using medium, the medium, that will make medium, as you can see, and that will be good for the venue. Then arrange it very well. So using the position, drag it down first, then you can use the position to do the rest. Now for the address, the same thing, type the address. So plus the pencil icon, then type in the address. So I've already copied that already because of time. I'll paste that already, as you can see, pasted. So we have to give that to edit this text size, give it color and font too as well, as usual. Wow, that's lovely. Let me move the grid. As you can see, we're almost there. Our work is neat. So let me adjust the venue a little bit to the top so I can have enough space for the inquiries. Let me edit that very well. Now let's type in the inquiries. So as usual, the plus, the pencil icon, then type that. So I've already copied that, as you can see, pasted already. Then the text size, font, color, as usual. Let's put that together. Now the phone number, the A icon, the plus icon, the pencil icon as usual. So the phone number copied already, pasted now. Wow, I'm done with the left side. Now let me lock everything. Lovely. So let me lock that, locked everything. Wow, this is good. This is good. So let us continue now for the right side. As you can see, so with the help of the grid, it helps us do the work. So as you can see with the margin, look at that side, make it easier. Look at that side, is neat. So for that margin, let's now move to the right side. To draw the shape 2, click on shape 2, click on shapes. Now let us draw our first shape, that is a thick line. Give it color. That's good. Now let us position that very well using the grid, weight of the grid. So position it very well. So I'll use the grid to measure the length on how I want it to be. Wow, lovely. Now for the other line, just lock that, copy and paste, as you can see. So for the other line too as well. Now the other shape, click on shapes, as you can see, to draw the other box, that's the first box for the right side. So give it color, as you can see. Then with the help of the grid, it helps us for the placement. So use the grid to set it very well, as you can see. Now the first test for the right side, click on the A icon, as you can see, for alphabets and letters, then plus and the pencil icon. Then we'll type in first service. First service. Now the next step, give it text size, color and everything as usual, the spacing and the likes. So using the light spacing, you'll be able to shrink it very well a little bit, as you can see with the help of the light spacing. They position it very well, as you can see. Now the hours for the first service. Now give it text size, color, font and everything as usual. Now in color, you'll be giving the text different color. So the text for 8 a.m. and 10 a.m. will be different. So we just for selection, we are selecting the 8 a.m. as you can see. Then 10 a.m. we'll be giving the color black. So as you can see, different colors for the same text, then font and the rest like that, as you can see. Wow, now let us use the layer tool, then lock everything. As you can see, the next is to copy and paste the first box there. So we change the color with the help of the grid. It helps us to place it very well with the placement. As you can see, I'm using it to place it with the help of the grid. Now we are going to copy and paste that. Now change the first to second, that is second service. Now you copy and paste the time too as well. Change the time, that is from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Wow, look at what we've done so far. Neat with the help of the grid. So let us bring in our first image. Click on shape tool, then import to bring in the image of Apostle Femi Lazarus. So as you can see, it's in the middle using relative position. So lock it as well. So lovely. Now we copy and paste the paper. As you can see, the first one we did there, copy and paste that. So for the name, so shrink it down, then give it color as well. So now let us type the name, Apostle Femi Lazarus. Wow, good. So as you can see, that's how to create a good church flyer design using Pixellab. So let us save our work. So you click on this guy at the top there, then save as image, then choose ultra. So save your work. Saving, as you can see. Wow, so this is how to create a church flyer using Pixellab. So if you are still watching this video and you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly click on the subscribe button on your screen right now for you to get all notifications anytime I upload a video like this. Kindly like this video by clicking the like button on your screen right now, and also do where to drop your comments concerning this video tutorial in the comment section. And also don't forget to share this video across the socials to your friends, your family, and to your loved ones. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye.